So for this question, we have to find the angle measured counterclockwise from the x-axis to the vector. So we have that AX equals positive 6.1 and AY equals negative 8.6. So here we have the vector A at approximately 6.1 and approximately 8.6. Now we need to find the angle, this angle first. We need to find this angle in order to see the angle that's measured counterclockwise from the x-axis to the vector. So to do this, first we need to find tangent of the angle. And this is going to be negative 8.6 over 6.1. So the angle is 54 degrees once you solve this and put it into radians. Convert it from radians to degrees. This is when it's converted to degrees. So we have 54 degrees, and we know that a whole rotation around the x-axis is 360. So what we need to do is subtract 360 degrees from 54 degrees. And this will give you approximately 305 degrees. So 360 minus 54 is approximately 305 degrees. So that means the answer is E for number 1.